Okay, January 25th. Now I already cleaned a little spot here by the door, but the snow was piled up against the door right here. Okay, well, if you want to see how deep this is, there's my shovel. And it disappeared. Yep, it's right up, almost up to my knee here on my front step where it's blown in. And there's the car. That's mostly what we got overnight, last night. Side road beside us there is completely drifted under. I already had somebody stuck down there this morning. I had to get a tractor to come by and dig them out. Yeah, and it's still snowing. Okay, so there's my front stairs. This was a clear walkway yesterday before I went to bed. Or, well, I guess we came home around 9 o'clock last night. And this walkway was clear. And this is what we got right now. There's my front step. Oh yeah. Not so pretty. And there's my driveway. Alongside the car. Nasty. My Duramax. And that right there is a road. Side road by my house. And look at that, Mother Nature's trying to attach my wheel to my mud flap. And if you look over there, the Malibu's getting buried in a great big snowdrift right there. And a couple more farther ahead there. In front of the trailer yet. Just coming up through my carport into the backyard. Haven't even opened this yet. Okay. Yeah, so there's my doorway there. Give you an idea how deep that is. And that's my back steps. Well, they're in there somewhere. This is by my back door. Just looking into the backyard. Alright, here's my doorway. So this is for my friend 805 Road King. I think we've got you beat. Got a little more snow than what you guys got down there. That's supposed to be a road over on the other side of the fence right there. Pretty drifted in. So yeah, this is the side street that is supposed to run behind my house or beside my place. And I'm just about up to my knees here. And that's the road. Right there, what it's all drifted in. I just heard somebody go by on a quad, probably the neighbor's kids. Yeah, there's the road, what it looks like. This is our road. Well, they've got the tractor out here now. He's been busy clearing out this corner. And he's had to dig into it there just to be able to get some of it moved. It's too deep for his plow. Okay, it's about 3:45 p.m. right now, and plows have been out and about and cleaning things up around here, and we got our front step all cleared off nice now, and you can kind of see how deep the snow is there all the way around. Good. Back up here. You can kind of see how deep that is by the sidewalk and up in behind the car here. And the car is still sitting there, hasn't been moved yet, but we've had the truck out today already, and took a lot of that snowdrift that was right there, and we just, I guess you can't really see it, but filled that up in the back of the truck there. Truck's got a bunch of snow in the back now. Yeah, so there's the back of my truck right there, nice and full of snow. Made good weight for our little drive out. We went out for a couple of hours, and yeah, roads were pretty good. And walked over there a couple of times earlier, and I have a guy that comes with his plow and usually plows our driveway, but he hasn't been out today yet. So we did get the truck out, and it was pretty simple, pretty easy. Get out of the driveway there. And they've cleaned the road already. Done a nice job. And this is what the tractor did here earlier. And something big has been out here while we were gone. I had to go out for a while, and the roads weren't too bad. But somebody must have came by with something pretty big. You can see the tracks there. And they moved all this snow over nice up against the cedar trees there. Yeah, got our roadway back again. And there's the stop sign. I'm trying to peek out. And that's all. Right now it's not bad. It's starting to get a little windier out again. And we're supposed to be getting another 5 centimeters of snow tomorrow. It's starting to get a little chilly out here now. You can see the tracks from whatever it was that came over here and cleared the road. And then this is the back deck right here. I've got quite a bit right there on the sides. And that Jeep in the back there, really starting to look like a square top. Crazy.